Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how you can restore files from the recycle bin on Windows 11. When you delete a file normally, it is moved to the recycle bin. Maybe you deleted something by accident and want to recover it. Stay with us to also see what to do if you can't find the recycle bin on your desktop. First, we are going to delete these files that we have in a folder on our desktop called Pictures to see how we can recover them. We're gonna select them, right click, and then just left click on the little delete icon. As we can see, they are gone from our PC, but they are available in the recycled bin. So we're gonna close the pictures folder and double left click on recycle bin to open it. You can view files just like in a normal folder, but you cannot access them. For example, if we double left click on this picture, it will open the properties. What you need to take note of is that you cannot open folders while in the recycle bin. So if you are looking for a specific file that you've deleted and you cannot find it here, maybe it's in one of the folders and you cannot explore them. So you will need to restore the whole folder basically and then check its contents. If you want to restore files from the recycle bin, there are two options. You need to select them first, and then the first option is to right click and left click on restore, and this will move them back to the place that they were in originally when you deleted them. And you can see that by this column. It says original location and it shows you the address where they were. So we can see that the files were on the desktop in the pictures folder. If you cannot view the original location, it's due to the file folder view settings. You have a button on the top that says view. Left click once, and here you need to have details selected. If you see a different view, this is how to change it. Another way to restore files from the recycle bin is by selecting them, but this time left click and hold, and then just drag them where you want to restore them to. For example, you can restore them to the desktop or to a specific folder, and when you release, they will be sent back to that place. So this will also change their original location. We're gonna close the recycled bin and open the pictures folder. And as we can see, the files are back in place. And now we can double left click on folder to see what we have inside. So we can look for the file that we need. What we need to mention is that if you've deleted the files permanently, unfortunately you cannot recover them in Windows unless you use a special file recovery program. If you cannot find the recycle bin on your desktop, right click on the desktop, hover over view, and then just left click on show desktop icons. And this will change whether or not you can view items that are on your desktop. This is the only possible option because the recycle bin itself cannot be deleted and you cannot hide it from the desktop. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.